so weird when I move my face. Chirpy. Kenny's channel. You never know what you're gonna get. Today's gonna be a good one. Hi everyone, it's Kendall here. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up? Home Skilla Biscuit. Today we're starting, I guess, a series. A few videos ago, I exposed the hell out of myself and showed my old high school pictures, much of which was very embarrassing, but some of it, honestly, was kind of fire. I was an art nerd, so you can guess it got a little wild. So I wanted to cycle back 9-10 years later and be like, let's do it again, but let's do it better. You know, let's show that growth. Adapting this was the first one I thought of. I was like, yeah, I really want to do that one over again. I think I could make that into something. This is gonna be fun. I don't remember which side of my face it actually is on. I don't remember if it was mirrored or not, so this will be interesting. First thing I gotta do is brow cover, and the thing is though, I went to the dollar store to find stuff for this video and could not for the life of me find a glue stick. So we're gonna be using just liquid Elmer's glue and hope for the best. I remember when I was in high school, I was practicing covering my brows. And what was so funny is that my mom came in when I was practicing. She thought I shaved my eyebrows off. She thought I had like a breakdown. I just shaved my eyebrows. I mean, the weird stuff I used to do in high school, I'm surprised she wasn't more concerned. There it goes. So I'm gonna put that on. I don't remember if this works or not. I know most people don't use liquid glue. So I'm gonna put my blow dryer on cool. For reference, I'm just using this pen, Elmer's glue. Please use like a non-toxic glue if you're gonna be putting it on your face. They do it for children because they're always putting glue everywhere. I'm just gonna do a few layers, and if it can like fill it in like that, it might, and like go between the hairs, it might help it stay down. Feeling for the guap, I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They're like, what? Smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, being patient with my buzz. I've been busy. I never realized how hard it is to talk and do this at the same time. But I'm using this Mercier face painting palette to do my lines. I remember when I was in high school, I used like a grease pot from Hot Topic. I remember when I was in high school, I just really wanted to work at Hot Topic. That was my dream. That's all I wanted in life, was to work at Hot Topic. It's a water activated paint. We got 2 separate brushes. You need 2 separate brushes. Actually, I think I'm not gonna worry too much about this lid space area because I feel like I want to put something there. On the rocks, baby. Show me what you want. Got me focused on her lips while you don't. Girl, you don't feel me now. I'm trying to guess you. This is so hard. Oh my god. Why is it so freaking hard to get straight lines on a non-straight surface? That's a whole other issue. I'm trying not to have this black and white mix. It's starting to go gray. Crap, I threw off the line. Why is this so hard? This is so hard. Because it's a face. Like my cheekbone comes out, so it's like hard to get a straight line when there's a part that's protruding out. I nicked it. Okay, wait, here we go. Kenny's channel. You never know what you're gonna get. Okay. This is stressing me out, so I'm just gonna leave this alone for the time being. I'm gonna work on the like normal side of my face and do some foundation. This is the Oma foundation. Son of a whore. Oh crap, this is the only black shirt I had that was clean. I'm trying to be so careful, like near the black. Wow, this color is perfect. What color is this? This is Bronze Venus. T1N. Right at the edge. Going in with the Milk Brow Pencil because I feel like I can get a pretty strong brow with this one. A little bit of Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. A little bit of Oma around the hairline and around the face, just in general. I think I want to be super snatched today. I'm just gonna put a teensy bit of teensy bit when I put like a crap ton of the Too Faced big ass concealer. What is this actually called? Multi-use sculpting concealer. Ooh, I'm feeling this foundation and concealer combination. Ooh, I should have used this for just a regular makeup day. Hey, go back into Laura a little bit because we're gonna be doing a super smoky on this side. Fenty to give me my. Why does their powder smell so good? Okay. Gonna just do a real classic smoky, just with a little bit of a black pencil real quick. Gonna just go in with a black eyeshadow and set that. All of these. Let's do that. Go on the immediate outer corner of that black to kind of blend it out. Oh no, my eye is itchy. Oh god. Okay, thank god. In the picture, I think I had like just the foundation on my mouth. Do I have black glitter? I feel like that's something I should have, but don't. It's like dark gray. I'm not quite sure what I want to do to this eye over here, but I know I want to add glitter. I'm gonna put the black base on the eye to start off with. Maybe I'll just like match the shape of this side. Oh my god, this is so hard, yo. Because I'm scared that it's gonna mix with other stuff and then go gross and patchy. Granted, even if it did in this area, I don't know if it would matter. Go in with a matte black shadow like on the edges. Oh, it's so weird when I move my face. Chirpy. Go in with Sugar Pill Stella. It's like literally a black pigment with like blue glitter in it. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if it's because my base isn't sticky enough, but there's no glitter in that. It's just a black pigment. I'll put some of that on the other side too. Yeah, the blue glitter isn't very prominent. It just looks black to me, but okay. So that was kind of a fail because that didn't give me the effect I was looking for at all. So we're gonna go in with this glitter from Beauty People in Twilight. Yeah, that's better. Yep, when in doubt, just put glitter over it. Do I have a white pencil? It's you. Okay. Now time to take this up a notch. So in the original picture, I think I painted a flower on my face. And now that I'm older, I'm like, no, we need more dimension. So I was in the dollar store and found a bunch of flowers that are for like little crappy arrangements and stuff for $1, obviously. So we're gonna put this all over my face in some way. So I got these little flowers. They're for Halloween. They had little like really little ugly spiders on them, so I had to take those off. But I'm gonna like take these leaves, this part off, and see if I can like glue it miscellaneously on my face. Oh duh, I got Elmer's glue. That's how this all started. Okay, wait, let's try that. Oh yo, it worked. Okay, wait. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna be here for a minute. A lot of these flowers come in like layers. So when you take them off the plastic, they'll be separate like this. So you gotta glue them back together. Okay, I guess I think I'll go for my hair now, because I know I want to put like some of the black roses or some of the white roses in the hair, but I don't know like where in the hair. This artistic process is so involved. Sounds like I'm being facetious, but I'm so serious it is. I'm the bad guy. Here. Where the hell is my brush? I don't know where my brush is. Where is my brush? It never freaking fails. I saw that brush all day. And when I freaking need it, where'd it go? Oh, you're getting me. Okay, I'm gonna put on lashes. These are 3 pairs of Kiss number 1s stacked. Oh my god, this lash is so irritating. Did I mess it up? Probably. The goal is to have it like cascading down. God, I'm not looking forward to washing this out. Oh my god. Ugh, but it looks weird, just like going up like that. Hold on, blend it in with the black because that looks weird. That might be kind of fire. Hold up. Oh, to somebody, where is all of my bobby pins? Little. I haven't decided whether or not I want to put highlight on this side. I fear I'm doing a little too much. Before I drive myself crazy, I'm gonna stop here. I need to be careful because I know that I will sit here and bother this to death and end up not liking the end result. Okay, I'm gonna stop here because I honestly will just be messing around forever and I'll never finish it. This shirt is kind of sheer, so if I'm not careful, you will literally see my nipples. And like, we like an art installation, but we're not being that. We're not gonna be that controversial on the YouTube. Maybe check my Patreon. I don't have a Patreon. Yeah, that's better. I'm actually done now. I promise. Okay. Half the problem with artistry is knowing when to stop. The actual 2019 version, and I'm already sweating, and watch this just be a pain in the ass to get off in the shower. If you guys liked this video and had fun with me, sorry I wasn't very talkative or funny. It's kind of hard to be both when you're doing this mess. If you like this video and want to see more like it, let me know. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both of which are KennieJD, and I will see you guys next time. Tuesday.